Analyzing accounts receivable. This video will go through the methods used for analyzing receivables. Analyzing receivables can tell us how capable a company is at collecting its receivables. This can affect how well a company performs as receivables are uncollected sales that can contribute to revenue. Horizontal analysis involves calculating the dollar change in accounts receivable between the current and previous year and then dividing it by the receivables balance of the previous year. This percentage indicates whether the size of the current receivables account has increased or decreased from the previous year. Vertical analysis involves dividing the accounts receivable balance by the balance of total assets on a balance sheet or the balance of net sales or revenue on an income statement. This percentage indicates the proportion of total assets or sales that are receivables. The receivables turnover ratio involves dividing the credit sales by the average receivables. To generate average receivables, the sum of the beginning and ending receivables balance is divided by 2. This ratio indicates the number of times during a period that receivables are generated and collected by a company. The receivables turnover ratio cannot be calculated if the percentage of credit sales is unknown. Additionally, the ratio can be difficult to interpret. To bring further clarification, the days in receivables ratio calculates the number of days it takes a company to collect receivables. This is done by dividing 365 by the receivables turnover ratio. The number indicates the amount of days existing between the collections of each receivable. The allowance ratio indicates the proportion of receivables that is uncollectible from all receivables. This is done by dividing the allowance for doubtful debts by gross receivables, where gross receivables are the sum of net accounts receivable and the allowance for doubtful debts. A higher percentage indicates a larger proportion of receivables that are uncollectible and vice versa. Thanks for watching. Good luck.
Created using Powtoon.